In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a CV or resume in Canva from your mobile. So the first thing we're going to do is just open up the App Store and make sure you have the Canva app installed to your device. Now, if you don't already have this installed, then we can simply download it from the App Store. And once it's finished downloading, simply open up the application. Now, just select the search box at the top of the screen and we're just going to search for resume and then hit search. Now, this is going to bring up a bunch of different templates for CVs and resumes that we can use. So you'll simply need to scroll through this list and find the one that you like the look of the best. So for example, I'm just going to select this one over here. Now it doesn't matter which one you select, we can use all of these and they're all fully editable. Now once you've selected the template that you like the look of, you can just basically select any of the elements on this page and then you can go and edit them using the bottom navigation. So for example, I have the name selected here, and then if I click on edit in the bottom left hand side, I can go and change exactly what that name says. Now you can do the same for basically any of the information on this page. You can also change the photo as well just by clicking on it, and we can use the replace tool in the bottom left hand side, and then you can go and upload your own custom photo to this template. Now once you're finished, just click on export in the top right hand side, and then you can go and press download to download this resume to your phone. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.